For sale today is a Southwest Industries Proto Trak Sport B3 DPM. This machine has an SM control on it. This machine's in very good condition. Table has no drill marks, milling marks on it. Ways are in very good condition. I do have way covers for this. They're just removed for the video and service. We'll run the spindle here for you. It's at 1,000 RPMs in high gear. It runs nice and quiet. We'll run it up to 4,200 RPMs. Brake works as it should. We'll go to low gear. Also runs quiet in low gear. We'll take and run this program. This is a 3-axis bolt circle with PEC drilling. You can see that the servo motors run nice and quiet. It's all been serviced. The machine's been calibrated. The ball screws are in real good condition. The SM control features colored graphics. It'll show you a step through each process. Show you where it's going to go next. If you have any other questions about this Proto Trak mill or any other tool room equipment, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thank you.